Yeah, I think one of the biggest things sometimes too is, and it's especially to like businesses in transition, in growth phases, small scale operations, that actually with the cost of equipment now, sometimes it actually makes sense to use, say, contractors or equipment hire, these sort of things strategically. So you don't have to invest a significant capital in the machine, but still get the productivity gain or the outcome that it is come from that more efficient, better technology. And those sort of things. So strategically using contractors at the right time can make sense for a lot of businesses, but also too doing the analysis around, well, how much do you need? Is it going to be a long-term piece? Should it be an investment the business invests and chooses to invest money into? They're the sort of the analysis that we'd want to do for those key items, especially to make sure that, again, that return's there for the operation. And
the question with contractors you also got to ask yourself is how reliable are you about how confident are you in the reliability of that contractor? Because if it's a key part of your operation where timing is absolutely critical, then do you have the confidence in your contract that's going to be right, or is it one of those parts of your operation where you've got to do yourself because you know that timing is so critical? Whereas if there's other work that you can get contractors in that isn't as quite as critical, maybe that's an area where you can rely on a contractor and then just concentrate on the things that are really important for your business that you do yourself. But I think the positive thing about using contractors from time to time is it gives you some great access to the new technology that's out there. A lot of contractors have got some really good gear. And if you're trying to see, well, how would that type of gear or technology work on my farm, as opposed to going and investing in it and taking the punt if it's going to work or not, bring a contractor in for a year or two, see how it works on your farm, and then compare what you're doing now then you can make that really good strategic decision about that new technology yourself, because you've seen it operational without having that big capital outlay in front as well.
The value of time is important there as well, where you may well go, my time is better spent on this higher income earning job, whatever that is, and I'm better to allow someone else to do this job that's a lesser value, still important. But I'm going to go and choose to do this job because the value of the time isn't often factored into the owner doing it themselves, whereas you could be off doing something else, offsetting that cost.